So once you open up the home page of Google Classroom, then this is what you see right here. So over here on the left hand side, you can see that you have access to home right here, where you get access to the classrooms that you may have created. Over here in the calendar section, you'll be able to see all of the assessments that you have assigned through your Google Classroom classes. Over here in the teaching section, you can expand this or you can go around and minimize this. And over here, you can see all of the classrooms right here. If I were to go around onto review section right here, then you will be able to see all of your class assignments and reviews that you may have done. Over here, if I were to go around, then you can see that this is my first classroom and my second classroom right here. And if I were to go around over here onto archived classes right here, just like this, then I will be able to see the archived classes that I had archived out previously. That is the closed classrooms, which you can go around and reopen if you want to. If I were to go around over here in settings, then I get access to these profile and notification settings right here. So let me just go around over here onto home right here. And once you do that, over here on the top side, you can see the main menu section right here, just like this, which you can use to minimize and expand out the contents over here on the left hand side. Over here on the right hand side, you get access to your Google account right here, just like this. And you get access to other Google apps from over here. And if I were to click on the plus button, you get the join class and the create class option right here, which gives you an option to create a class right here or join a classroom by using the classroom code as well. If I were to open up any of the classes right here, then this is what you see. We can go around and minimize this to get more space right here. And over here on the top, you can go around and go back to home from over here or from over here as well. Let me just go around onto the classroom, and here you can see that inside of the classroom, you get the stream settings over here in the post area, where you can manage out different settings for your particular classroom. You get the announcements section right here, and then you get the formatting options, and you got the different attachment options, the posting option over here as well. And you can even go around and choose around the classrooms that you want to post for and the students that you want to post for. So over here, you can access out the classroom codes right here and the options for the classroom code right here. And you can see all of the work dues over here in the upcoming section. Inside of the classroom, there are 4 sections right here. So the default one is stream, where the student gets the information. Then you get the classroom section right here, just like this, where you can go around and create out and give different materials, assign topics or assignments as you like. If I were to go around on the people section, then you can see the teachers and the students in that particular classroom, and this is where you manage them as well. And over here in the grades section, then you'll be able to see all of the assignments that you have graded and view the grades as well. So that is how the Google Classroom is divided, and this is how you can work around with different sections. And this is what we're covering up in the entire course. So over here, you even see that from the classroom, you get access to Google Calendar, your class drive folder, and the class settings from over here as well. So in the entire tutorial series of Google Classroom, we're going to cover up the major features so that you can manage your classrooms easily as a teacher and as a student as well. So this is the interface that you'll be working with in Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.